Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to freeze blueberries. So blueberries are actually native to North America, and California alone has over 9,000 acres of blueberry farms. This is one popular berry. So the thing about blueberries though is they have a limited season and you might not actually get to them in time if you buy them. So I'm going to talk to you about how to buy them, how to store them, and how to freeze them. So when you're buying blueberries, what you want to look for are even-sized, deep purple/blue blueberries, no red or pink, that have a nice white bloom over them. That white bloom is completely natural and actually an indicator that the berries are fresh. So choose blueberries that look like that. When you're storing blueberries, if you're just gonna put them in the fridge, maybe you wanna enjoy some before you get around to freezing them, take the blueberries and wash them in 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water. Soak them in that solution for 15 minutes and then rinse them and completely dry them. You wanna put them in the fridge in a paper-lined container and store that way they can actually last for like 2 to 3 times longer than if you just put them in the fridge when you brought them home from the store. So that's how you buy and store blueberries. But what about when you're ready to freeze them? So after you wash the berries, you want to make sure that they're completely dry. This is important because you don't want the berries to turn into icicles when they're in the freezer. So what you want to do is take the berries, put them in the salad spinner that's lined with the towel. Go ahead and spin them out until they're completely dry. You can even use a blow dryer if you need to. Okay, so if you want to freeze your blueberries because you're not going to get to them in time, here's what you need to do. So you already know how to wash them. You wash them in that vinegar solution, then completely rinse them and then completely dry them. And then you want to go ahead and just take out any of the fruit that's bad. So any blueberries that are mushy or starting to look moldy, you want to remove those before you freeze it, mostly because bad fruit is just going to lead to more bad fruit. Once the berries are dried, lay them out on a nice lined baking sheet in a nice even layer, so you don't want them on top of each other, and then put them in the freezer and put them in there for about 3 hours. Once they're frozen, you can then transfer the blueberries to a freezer safe container where they'll last for about a year. Frozen berries can easily be added to smoothies or pies or pancakes, however you want to use them. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment down below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe.